friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 of 7 days weight loss meal plan series. If you have not watched day 1 and day 2, go ahead and check out. The link will be in the description box below for you guys. Again, I'll be starting my day with detox water. This detox water is lemon detox water. So let's get started. So guys, it's early in the morning and before my coffee I'm going to have my detox drink, but I'm going to warm it up and sip it as a tea because it's quite cold today. So it's been 30 minutes that I had my detox drink and I am quite busy today. Therefore, I'm going to have my go-to protein smoothie, for which I've got this frozen fruit from Asda. It's a tropical mix and I'll be having about 80 grams of this with some unflavored collagen protein powder, some yogurt which is again high in protein. I'll be using Greek style yogurt which is 6 plus gram protein per 100 gram, and that again I'm going to use 100 gram with 1 cup of water and blend it all together for my go-to protein smoothie. I have a lot of work to do and a lot of editing to do, so I'm going to stick to my work until lunchtime. So here is my lunch: leftover noodles, roughly about I think 3/4 of a portion, and with some fruit. So normally what happens when we are busy or we are out of schedule and we don't have time to cook, we actually leave the diet plan that we follow. We are not strict anymore with ourselves. Therefore, we just move away and we give up with the diet foods because it takes a lot of effort to cook every day, every single meal for yourself. So my best advice is to have extra portions cooked night before. If you know you're going to be busy next day, so cook extra portion night before or day before so you can use them as a leftover and you won't have to cook anything on that day. While doing my work, I was feeling a little peckish and wanted to munch something, so I made this platter with cucumber and cherry tomatoes. This is a great tip. If you want to curb your cravings for sugary stuff, then go for some salad and add some lemon juice and some kala namak. This will suppress your appetite. This way I won't be reaching for chocolates or crepes, although I do allow myself to have some chocolate if I feel like something sweet, or even some crepes throughout the week, but not as regular as I used to. So for my dinner, I'm going to have a burger, which is chole kulche in Hindi, but it's going to be a healthy version. Wholemeal burger bun with some chickpeas and some salad in it, some chilies, some lemon, and then toast it up on tawa, or you can even use a bread toaster. Add very little bit of butter, or you can completely skip that. This is a healthy version of chole kulche or chickpea burgers, and you can have this with big bowl of salad. I'm going to use Brussels sprout veggies that were left over for my day 1. So I'm going to use those veggies because one burger is not enough for me. If you want to see the full recipe of how I make this chickpea burger or the chole kulche, I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. You need to just swap up the white burger bun with wholemeal and use very less butter. And after my dinner, I'm going to finish my day with a little bit of cherries, and that's it. So guys, this was day 3 of my 7-day meal, and I hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to check back tomorrow for my day 4 meal plan and all the food that I have. So stay tuned and stay connected. Bye bye.